Aloha and welcome back to Shotgun Legend. I'm Panther and we're gonna go use this new raft I got. I don't have to kill them. I still have to kill this asshole. I don't remember stuff flying off of them when the pellets hit them. Finally! What the hell even are you? Charger Beetle takes off and flies towards you at great speed. Can cross water while in flight. Good to know. Right, can't do anything with that. Asshole. Wait that long just to do any. Ooh. Well, we found level 6. There's a place I want to go with the dynamite in the lower left portion of the map. So, now that I know that level 6 is all the way up there, I'll worry about the extra heart when I come back. Not worth it. Right. I completely forgot about this. Oh! Okay. That's level 10. Well, now we know where it is. Damn. There we go. Damn it. That's what I was after. I can't remember. Where was it? Maybe I'm thinking of a different spot. At least I found level 10. Ugh. Do I need all of the tools? Okay, that was... whatever. Yeah, it looks like I need all the tools. I have managed to create a replica of the weapon the man from the sky uses. But it's far too dangerous to allow the aliens to get a hold of it. I have hidden it away at the end of the passage. Well, level 6 is going to get me past this. Alright. Well, we'll figure out how to get past there. At least I opened these now. Because once they're open, they're open. What was in here? Oh, hey. That I'm okay with. You little buggers can go piss right off. Yeah, I maxed out my... There! Yes! This is what I was looking for. Okay, it wasn't in the lower left. It looked like it should have been in the lower left, but it was not. Alright. Put it just right here. Boom, takes out 2. Boom, takes out 3. I'm okay with this. Got some more crossbow bolts. Okay, well, level dungeon 6 it is. Pass. Already been there, been there, been there, been there. I forget what's down here. Oh. Huh. I don't mind taking a little bit of damage to make sure I have more health. Can't hurt them, can I? Nope. Level 6, here I come. After we take a look in here. Booyah! Really just wish that the map up in the left-hand corner would actually populate. But, oh well, here we go. Dungeon 6, people. The dungeon in the dark woods is filled with poisonous gas. I have left a gas mask in my cabin in the woods for anyone brave enough to set foot in that place. I don't like those guys. No, I'm not dealing with that. No cracks. Cool. There we go. I really hope I can get their card soon, because I don't want to have to fight them anymore. Maximum dynamite? I can deal with that. Yes! Wow, this is a fairly straightforward dungeon. Thank you. Ow. Ow. Oh, come on. Ah! One of those. No, I don't like fighting them. Something came through the wormhole with the catalyst. The casualties have been great. All attempts to stop it have ended in death. That's what you get for frickin' taking someone's property. That is a Fuzzy Lumpkins reference, FYI. What are you? Barrier generator? creates a bubble that absorbs projectiles. It does not work on explosions. Oh. Oh, this is what I was supposed to do. Whoops. I did not notice him. Okay. The barrier helped. It actually helped a lot. So this is a really useful tool, but it doesn't kill ghosts, so I can't get to the next portion of that area. Don't like how much damage I take from these assholes. So that's not fun. Oh. Right. I have enough things to worry about. Okay. There we go. Full up on everything, finally. That was way more difficult to fight than it really should have been, but at the same time, way easier of a fight than I really expected it to be. Doctor with a thing for stabbing is never a good thing. Often invisible, too. Okay, that's really weird. Well, we got a rim fragment. Okay. I've got a barrier now. So there's a gas mask in here. Yeah, okay, cool. Ha! Ha! Oh shit! Right, it doesn't freeze time. I'm at 14 pellets now. Yeah! So in his cabin, one of them is a gas mask. There. Huh. Cabin in the woods. Okay. So I'm not sure where to go. There. Alright, well, I think I'll end the episode here. I will catch you all in the next one where we find the cabin in the woods. Maybe it's in the dead woods? I don't know. Well, until then, have fun, be safe, and aloha.